A business objective is a high-level statement of what you want to achieve. Ideally, it should be aspirational, qualitative, and time-bound. What do we actually mean by this? First, it must be aspirational. It should feel like a true challenge, not a business-as-usual task. Second, it must be action-oriented. Start with a strong verb like establish, launch, or accelerate. Third, it must be understandable. Anyone in the company should instantly get what it means. We recommend choosing 2 to 5 objectives. From there, each objective needs key results. Key results are the benchmarks that track your progress toward the objective. They are your yardstick. Defining them requires real team discussion. You need a dedicated space to explore ideas together, and most importantly, ensure these objectives align with the actual day-to-day priorities across every department. There are 2 main reasons why objectives fail. 1. No cadence or system to uncover blockers, spot opportunities, break down silos early, or bring clarity for the team to execute. And 2. Disconnect. Objectives are set at the leadership level, but the actual work prioritized by teams isn't aligned with them. This process gives leadership a structured cadence to set goals, while giving team leaders the tools to align daily priorities with those big picture objectives. You can find this process template directly inside Nova.